Big and Small Cats. This week for homework, you will be listening to a non-fiction story about big and small cats. Listen carefully to the text so that you can answer your 2 written comprehension questions for homework. One question will be for Tuesday's homework, and the other question will be for Thursday's homework. Big and Small Cats. There are many kinds of cats. There are big cats and small cats. All cats have sharp claws and sharp teeth. And all cats have fur. All cats like to eat meat. They use their sharp teeth and claws to get and eat food. House cats are small cats with soft fur. They make good pets. They like to play and cuddle. Leopards are big cats. They have spots on their fur. They are hard to see in trees and grass. Leopards sleep in trees and even drag their food into trees. Cougars are big and powerful cats. They live in rocks and caves. They eat deer and other animals. Lions live where there are not many trees. They live together with many other lions. Many lions living together are called a pride. A pride of lions sleeps most of the day. Tigers are the biggest cats of all. They have orange fur with black stripes. There are not many tigers in the world. Cats are different in many ways, but cats are the same in many ways too. All cats like to play, but they like to sleep most of all. Now that you've listened to the story, it's time to answer your written comprehension questions. Here are 5 hints to help make sure that you have the best answer possible. Remember that now we will be grading your written comprehension as if it were a real M-Class test. This will help you and your parents know if this were a real test, would your answer pass? This way you can see what you're doing really well with and in areas that you might need to work on. Your first hint is to use the question in your answer. For example, if I said, "What is one of the big cats in the story?" you would start by saying, "One of the big cats in the story is..." Because this is a non-fiction text, your second hint is to use specific details. Any question that you are asked, make sure you look back in the words and the pictures and use specific details to back up your answer. Your third hint is to use the book to find your answer. Don't try to get the answer from memory. Use the book. We've practiced this in class and we call it text evidence. Hint number 4 is to use the word because. Because is a first grader's best friend. Use because to explain your answer. For example, you might say, "I know this because," or "Tigers are the biggest animal because." Anytime that you use the word because, you're doing a good job of explaining your answer. Your last hint is to check your answer. Some of the questions have multiple things they ask you. Have you answered everything? Have you put details in? Practice reading it out loud to make sure that your answer is correct. This is a great habit to get into so that when you take your real M-Class test, you will be in the habit of reading your answer out loud to help you check your work. Good luck!